In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed these Woodcraft wall-mounted hooks. They have a super sleek design and they look super amazing with a wooden closet. What makes these special is the mechanism that makes them look flush and modern. Stay tuned for the whole video. So today we picked up this natural wood hanger storage. This has really interesting, cool hidden hooks. We picked up the one that's in dark walnut, but it also comes in oak. And this is our closet. If you guys remember, we did a reno of this closet and we put some wallpaper on here. These are real wood on this side. We're still going to be wrapping this with the same wallpaper, but we wanted to get a nice sort of like a wall hanger. But check this out, right? So you can hide them as you don't use them, and they have this magnet here that keeps them in place. So today I'm going to show you how to basically mount it. So this does come in 4, 6, and 8 iterations. This one is 8. This one's 21.8, the other one is 17.7. We did have to trim it just a little bit to fit in this closet. Now we're basically gonna, there's a mounting screw right there, and they gave you a screwdriver, and they gave you pretty much everything you need. So this, we essentially just kind of stick right here, and this will give us the level that we need. Once we're happy with the level, then we're gonna basically mark our screw hole. So here's our mark. The fastest way that I know how to do this is like this. So we're gonna basically create a hole just a little larger. There we go. Take this and place it in the hole. And now take a mallet. Don't take a hammer. If you take a hammer, you squish it. But if you take a mallet like this, it's gonna go in. And there you go. 1, 2. Load the screw in one of the holes and then just place it on and then screw it in. All right. Do it to the second one, and there you have it. And I'm going to show you how this works. So there's this ridge here, and then you can take these in and out. You see that? And then this will snap in place. If you want to take it out, you simply take it out. So these hold up to about 25, 30 pounds each. So plenty for hats, jackets, you know, storage bags. So yeah, pretty cool. Thanks for watching. And another modern find for your decor.